Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you what I've been doing with, I get a lot of these two-hole beads. I'm not really into, bead embroidery and all that. I'm more into like chunky, funky, eclectic jewelry pieces. So I have all of these leftover beads from, I'm sure you've noticed these from the dollar bead box. And there's kind of, these cool beads, but I never know what to do with them. So what I did was I got myself a really cool spiral pendant. Then I took 2 pieces of beading wire and I did like the separate here like this. I started it out with 3 beads that both the wires go through, and then I went into these tiny little metallic sea beads, then some fire polish beads, and then I went into these 2-hole beads and then did the same. And then as I went up, I had some of the tila beads, the 2-hole tila beads that you get, and I never know what to do with them. So I ended up making what I thought was a pretty cool necklace. So it just goes down, and then it comes down at the end into one, and then just a lobster claw at the end. So it's just kind of a funky choker that I was really happy the way this turned out. So this is the first one. And then this, I had more of these, the tila beads, and I have the skinny ones and I have the bigger ones, and I wasn't really sure what to do with these either. So I made, took 2 pieces of string again and took a bunch of the Miyuki seed beads, the 11-O's, and like these are from Dollar Bead Box, and it's just an eclectic kind of lariat style necklace, and I love the way it turned out. It's just really pretty. So all I did was, and then I used some of my own stash, like for the red ones and the copper ones, and these are almost like hematite looking. So I just did this. It's actually just one long 2-piece strand that I did this with. And then I took, I'm sure you know these from past boxes. I think these are from Bargain Bead Box, one of the past toggle clasps. And then this was from past Dollar Bead Box that I had. So then I just took some little bit of leftover chain, and I just made like a little drop pendant from it. But I think this turned out so pretty. And it's just one of those things, you can dress up, you can dress down. I will put both of these on busts and show you the pictures at the end. But this one I actually kind of do like a choker, like where it's kind of around the neck like that. And then this just kind of comes down and attaches. Just for a minute. Oh. Hold on 1 second. And this kind of attaches and hangs here at the bottom. So yeah, so it's so pretty. I love the way this turned out. And I put I had some of those little copper daggers, so I put those at the bottom. And these, so yeah, I see all these beaders that do all the embroidery, and it's so beautiful, and I'm like, and I really don't do a lot of that, so I've started making these, and it's a great way to use up your 2-hole bead stash. If you can just kind of, and it's, nothing is the same on it. I just did one eclectic long piece. And so as it hangs, it's, you know, it's different, but it's just gorgeous. And the thing about this is you can dress this up, you can dress this down, you can wear this with jeans and a tee, or you can, this would go beautiful with like a black dress. You can make some earrings to match it. So it's very versatile to wear. So yeah, these are just a few of my pieces that I have for the two-hole beads. So let me know in the comments what you think about these, or if you have any ideas. Do you do anything with your beads other than bead embroidery, or do you have other ideas for the two-hole beads? I have some ideas for some other lariats. I think I'm going to do like a series of lariats, and I'll do a video with them showing what I'm thinking of. I have some two holes with clear and pink and blue and everything, and so I was thinking about doing some of those. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think of this. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell at the bottom so you get notified every time I put up a new video. Thank you. Bye.